What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, as you can see, it's tonight. It's only 6:40, but you know how it is with daylight savings and all that. But I'm about to go link up with the homies. Going over to Javi's house. Going over to Javi's house, and going to be working on his bumper, but also probably going to put on my Z1 undershroud as well. And sorry that it's not staying focused there, but let's see. Anyway, let's go ahead and hurry up and end this one. But what I'm gonna do, no cold start, as you can hear the car is already on. But yeah, let's go ahead and just head on over. Alright, so I did end up getting this carbon fiber overlay. I wanted one that had the lights, but this was actually on sale and it was pretty affordable. I didn't see any other ones. I only saw the Skyline one. I would have preferred for it to say Infinity, but I mean, I ain't mad at the Skyline one either. But all right, now let's head on over there. All right, just pulling up now. Let's go take a look, see what they are up to. All right, what y'all up to now? All right, just taking the splitter off of the old bumper so it can go on this bumper, the front splitter. So got the touch all around, so that tape all the way around, got it on the front as well. Nice touch.
The screwdriver. With the screwdriver, you come missing the.
So we're gonna work on the fitment here as well. So I guess I could start with the story of what's been going on. So back in May 15th, I ordered the Blitz bumper. Still haven't received it, as you can see. Order from South Bay Auto Works. Javi ordered the Impulse bumper, but they sent him the wrong bumper. They sent him the one I ordered. They told me that they have the Impulse in stock for the Q50 and the Q60. That's why they were sending it out so quick. They said if you want to switch bumpers, we'll send it out right away. So I did that, and 2 weeks later they finally sent it out. So it's on the way now. So I'm curious if they're going to send me the Blitz or the Impulse. Honestly, at this point, I'm good either way. I really wanted this one, but I'm good with the other one as well. So they did say with the Impulse, you have to use the older grill. For the Q50s, you have to use the pre-2018 one. So luckily I have both, so either way I'm covered. But yeah, I was gonna go over that when my bumper showed up, but it's on the way, so we will see. All right, so it needs some work, so I'm not gonna put it on tonight, but yeah, but it's not bad.
It's a one-of-a-kind splitter. It's a two-piece. Go Google it. There ain't all the two-piece splitter for a Q60 out there.
Yeah.
Yeah, might be show us some love.
You know what I'm saying? Well, when I first got it, I put it on. Yeah, fucking loved that.
Good
The
looking
first
out,
meeting I
Harvey.
show up to.
Yeah,
I was
that-
like, oh shit, damn, that's one of a kind right now. I was like, yep.
We're gonna,
So this thing is one of a kind because I never sent back the fucking specs like they wanted me to. The thing is, the one piece, that is the one piece.
yeah,
Yeah.
They sell that. South Bay, a couple of them have that one piece.
One piece, yeah.
they
But that-
sell them, but they're like they're $900.
Yeah.
Nah, the one piece I told you, the cheapest I found it was $750 with that one piece.
Gotcha. Let's put this back here. Tighten the whole front up. It's crazy. Could you imagine having that wheel gap? Wheel gap kills. Can we see? That's the part that's gonna be coming off. And it's been scraping everywhere. I'll show it once it's off. Yeah, I didn't get the black one. So this is what was scraping everywhere. Yeah. Alright, so it rained a couple times on us. Flipped the cardboard. The side is dry, but still working on it. But it's going pretty good so far. Alright, so this is another day. We didn't quite finish up when I was there the last time. I had to run out for an emergency, but we're gonna go ahead and wrap it up now. So what we didn't finish, after that accident with the dresser, there's part of the lining on, well, it's on the other side, but it's part of the lining that goes in here where the undershroud connects to. Down on the other side, that's missing, and homie Javi has a couple ideas on how we can make sure it's not gonna be flapping or too loose. So gonna go ahead and head on over and see what we can do about that. But yeah, that's why we had that abrupt transition there. So yeah, let's go ahead and do it. A lot better. Alright, so yeah, apparently I did not end the video. Excuse the dirty car. It's been raining like crazy here. But yeah, so was able to make sure the undershroud was secured. So far it's pretty good. Haven't had any issues, not hearing any sounds. It's doing a pretty good job. No scraping. That was the main thing I was worried about. Still didn't get the piece to go inside the liner there. I'm probably gonna have to go to a junkyard and get that to make sure it's fully secured, but the temporary measures is holding up strong. This is, I think, what, 3 days after that, maybe 4. It's been a while since all that work was done, but I still don't have my bumper. It's actually, at least it's in Orlando now, but waiting for them to actually drop it off. So hopefully, well, the next video has already been shot. It was shot in between these clips, so I won't have it on in the next video, but the video after that, hopefully I'll have it on then. But yeah, shout out to the homie Javi and Steve as well for hooking that up. But let's go ahead and do the comment of the day. The comment of the day goes out to, and if you'd like to be selected for comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment down below. Who knows, you could be next. But I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.